With Myers, it's all confidence. We have guys on our roster that they're not lacking confidence, whether it's justified or not. And with Myers, it's literally a day-to-day process to keep his spirits up when things aren't going the right way, because he doesn't have the kind of confidence and swagger and almost sociopathic approach to the game that other guys do. And he's not the only young big guy, to suffer those kind of, ups and downs. But, I think, everyone has to continue to build trust with him. I think he was probably more excited than anyone for the season to be over, to start the offseason. He was one of the main guys that came in that had a very specific plan about where he was going to be, who he was going to work with, where he was going, what he needed to do. And, and I talked to Myers, look, he was our first draft pick, along with Dame and Will. And I said, Myers, like a lot of the distractions you've had in the different off seasons, whether it was getting beaten out or a veteran coming in or an injury or a contract negotiation, don't exist. And you've had 5 years where it's been up and down. Everybody keeps waiting for this breakout. And now you need to spend some time thinking about, what do you want your career to be? Because all the other extemporaneous things are gone. They're all gone. And now it's just, this is an off season about basketball and where it fits in your life and what do you need to do. And, to his credit as a mature young, he had answers. He's been thinking about it for a while. I think he knew this season wasn't turning around for him. And he already started making plans for how he can, avoid this kind of a season next year. And part of it's on us, Dwight. I mean, look, we've got to understand that there are some guys that, need more attention than others, and some guys that need a longer rope at times, so that because they're not as easily turned on and off, it affects them more. And I think we all, myself included, from the front office all the way down, have to understand that to get the best out of Myers, he has to believe you believe in him and you trust him.